don't know who needs to hear this, but I am an essential worker. And while the world felt closed and quiet, I still had to step outside. I remember being on the road and everything was silent. Hardly any cars, just little old Nancy driving. And for a moment, you can feel how heavy the world was. And maybe you know that feeling too, when everything around you feels still. But I wasn't scared. Not because I'm strong on my own, but because Jesus was with me. And maybe you're listening right now, feeling like life slowed down, like doors closed, like you're walking through something alone. I want you to hear me clearly. You are not alone. Sometimes God allows quiet seasons so you can hear Him better. Sometimes the road feels empty because He's teaching you how to trust Him step by step. I didn't have all the answers when I stepped out. I just had faith. And maybe that's where you are today, moving forward even when you don't see the full picture. If you feel tired, if you feel unseen, if you feel like you're carrying a lot, God sees you. He walks with you even in those quiet moments that nobody else in the world understands. So yes, the roads were quiet, the world felt pretty much closed, but my faith stayed open. And if you're watching this right now, this message is for you. Keep walking with Jesus, even when it feels silent. He is still right beside you.